Attention investors, are you ready for explosive profit potential? Today, we're diving into one of the hottest stocks in the market, Palantir. Get ready to unveil its explosive potential and discover strategies for maximum profits. Palantir is a cutting-edge software company revolutionizing data analysis. With government contracts and partnerships with major corporations, Palantir has the potential to skyrocket in value. To prepare for Palantir stock explosion, you need a well-informed strategy. First, start by understanding the company's products and services. Dive deep into their software solutions like Gotham and Foundry, which empower organizations to make data-driven decisions. Next, keep a close eye on the market trends in the news. Palantir's stock price is influenced by factors like government decisions, contract wins, and industry developments. Staying informed will give you an edge in maximizing your profits. Another strategy is to diversify your portfolio. While Palantir shows immense potential, it's always wise to spread your investments. Consider combining Palantir with other tech giants or high-growth stock companies to mitigate risks. This is crucial. Keep an eye on Palantir's chart patterns and technical indicators. Look for support and resistance levels to identify the best entry and exit points. Remember, patience is key. Don't rush into a trade without thorough analysis. Lastly, consider long-term investing. Although day trading can be tempting, investing in Palantir for the long term can yield significant returns. So, get ready to seize the opportunities presented by Palantir. Stay informed. Diversify your portfolio, time your trades, and consider long-term investments. With these strategies in mind, you'll be well-positioned for maximum profits. All right, now from this position, let's get right into my web stories. Now, here's a story that says Palantir has a long tech pedigree. These are 3 reasons from this article why you should like Palantir. 2, it is a system to root out terrorists. And that's key. I didn't know if I liked utilizing the word terrorist in this story, but if the software has the ability to mine through data to get you useful information on terrorist activities, folks, then that is something you definitely have to pay attention to. And 3, generative AI is the logical next step. Everybody is trying to get to the new generative AI. The company has also provided services for growing lists of non-intelligent agencies, including the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the CDC, the Department of Health and Human Services, the Food and Drug Administration. So outside of just military and things like that and government, this is a tool, this program, this company has the ability to help in outside intelligence companies as well. Here's a contract. NHS contract appears to have gone to Palantir. This was done through the UK government. I've been trying to search the internet on how many contracts Palantir has, and I just can't find it. But I can tell you, with all of the stories that I've seen over the years, they've got a lot of contracts. They just need those contracts to turn into actual dollars. And man, when that happens, they will put their big boy pants on and they are going to move. Now, here's another story. Palantir, this was done back in 2021, though, to give some semblance of where the interest was in companies and governments and sectors utilizing Palantir. Now, before that goes on, some statements in here. It was the single largest individual stock buy. All right. Palantir solves problems. That's huge. The next for this author, analyze what kind of contracts does Palantir have and how they may inform its operations. Government contracts in green, sector contracts in red, private industries in purple. Notice how diversified they are around industries and sectors and the governments and having their hands into some of everything. Another big reason why I like Palantir. And last story, Palantir can ride the AI wave and continue higher in 2024. AI was the big push behind the video that I just did this week called The Magnificent Seven. 7 highly visible tech stocks, but it's all been driven by AI, and companies like Palantir and Snowflake are at the root of the whole AI level. All right, let's get into the software. and let's analyze the stock, all right? Palantir, I went back. I wanted to give just an understanding of just how well the stock has done over the last year. I took Palantir as a stock where it was fundamentally not sound, not in an uptrend, VST not above 1, CI not above 1, had good earnings growth. Because of that, I've been a fan of Palantir, even in the bad times. I've been a fan of Palantir because it does grow their earnings. That's all of those contracts that they've gotten. Not only that, the last 3 earnings periods they've beat. That is putting them on the right track for explosivity. That's a Glenism. All right. I wanted to see what the stock has done over the year. I'm looking at the January 3rd of 2023. Let's just quick test it. No market timing, no nothing. Just calendar. Over the last year, what it's done, 205%. Man, that looks great. Annualized out to 239%. The S&P has only gone up 15%. Whew, that's a big jump. All right. The past is prologue. All right. Hindsight is always 2020. Let's bring this up until now. Fundamentally, still not sound. But again, all of these contracts have to turn into money, which will then hopefully raise the relative value and relative safety. I'm not going to say hopefully. Will, once they start really making money, even though earnings have gone up for 3 quarters in a row. Now, looking at it today, because of the big move, RT is above 1. BST is above 1. CI is above 1. Earnings growth, though, has dropped from 30 to 23, but still double digits. Let's move over to the right. Sales. Sales and sales growth. Sales growth, double digits. I like that, and it trades. High volume, high average volume. All right, so that's all my analysis on it. Let's go look at the graphs. I'm going to show you 3 different graphs on why I like the stock. I'm going to put it on a 3-month graph. This is just our VectorVest simple. I like that after it capitulated for a while, it went up, big pullback, but big rebound. Sitting right now at 3-month highs. Let's go change the graph layout. You know I like the 3 and the 8. Let's go put on my swing trade, which is looking at the 3 and the 8 exponential moving averages. All right. And it's looking, actually, this one is just looking at the 20-day exponential moving average. I like to use that for trend, whether it's simple or exponential. I do like the move over the last 3 months. Look at the earnings. Earnings is the engine that drives the stock's price higher. I like the earnings, and the stock right now is above a level of support. Let's go see if it tests it, but I like the most recent move. And the last graph we'll look at is the near perfect indicator. I'm giving you 3 different graphs. Look at that. I've got trend. The last time we had trend, we had a quick opportunity to make money. This would have been my get out period using RT right about there, not to ride it all the way down. Right now, we do have an entry point on RT and the stock is moving higher. I want to use this as a technique. I want to use this line right here, this gap up line as a level of support if you're currently trading it right now. If you're not currently trading it right now, I know it's sitting at 3-month highs. I would look at 5 cents higher than the high before I pull the trigger. But AI, tech, on the move, Palantir, I like. So if you like the video, let me know. Hit the like button. All right, let me know it was worth it for you to at least take a look at this video. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. This is the kind of content we bring to you guys each and every day. Folks, it's my pleasure, always my pleasure to bring these videos to you. Let me know in the comments, is Palantir something that you would invest in? Yes or no? Put yes for Palantir or no for Palantir. You know, yes for Palantir, no Palantir. So I can see that in the comments. Folks, this video is over. Till the next time, see ya. Hey VV Nation, do you want to increase your profits and generate income? Well, you can. For 99 cents, we'll give you access to the VectorVest system for 30 days. And guess what? It's a money-back guarantee. If you don't like it, we'll give you back your 99 cents. But folks, you're going to have access to the best software out there, the best guidance at any price. All you have to do is go to www.vectorvest.com/YT. Folks, it's a no-brainer. Go there right now and take advantage of your 30-day trial for 99 cents.